Vector object is any sort of shape that we would use within a vector image to create the part of the or representation of the image that we're trying to actually build using vector graphics. So we've got things like circles and triangles and squares and lines and things like that that are made, and the object consists of like the boundary in which it's kind of in which it's been drawn in, and that would consist of maybe using like the top left boundary to reference it as like an XY point, or maybe even like the middle of the actual object if it was something like a circle. You've then got the coordinates from where it stretches from and to. You have things like the path that's being drawn with it, and then the color that you fill it in with. Now these are all then stored in a draw list, which when the image file is loaded, and if we take sort of like a typical vector image file, something like a PNG file, a Portable Network Graphics file, you would typically load that into a piece of software like Fireworks, and then what would happen is all the vector coordinates and the object, the draw list essentially, would appear on screen and your image would be created in front of you. Now it works really well with like web graphics because web graphics are scalable, so we would want to have, if we're viewing a website on like a small mobile phone, or we're viewing it on a really large sort of like grand monitor, we would want to have a scalable image, so therefore a vector graphic is really suitable for that kind of situation.